Hello everyone, this is Dr. Ninar. I will be trying to explain you how to install Proteus software so that we can conduct our electronic simulations into the PC. So you have to go to this page google.com. I will start sharing the screen. I guess my screen is visible to you now. So on the google.com you can search for Proteus. Now it will take you to this lab center. So by default, the first link that you will open is about the libraries. Okay. And now, if you want to go to software, click on this link. You need to download. So what we will have to do is on this site, you have to search for the download option, which is here. Now, once you see this download the demonstration version here. You have to click this. It will ask you for your name, so you can fill in some details. And this is very important. The email address should be unique and should not be used earlier. And if you have any questions, okay, so then it will start download. Uh, so the file name is pro demo. Now actual download starts. So I have downloaded this file called pro demo in my programs directory. Yours will be directly in downloads directory. You have to double click on this exe file. It will ask Proteus 8 demo. You click OK. So now the installation will start. I guess depending upon your machine x86, x64, it automatically selects. Even for a MacBook, you can use something called as virtual machine. So you can click accept, click next. I can go for typical one directly. And now it will validate the installation process and copy the files. And it will update the components, create folder, download new files. So it will take some time. So basically, entire installation is now going to be get downloaded. The earlier 25 MB was just to start this download process. So now while installing it actually downloads, you can see downloading the installation media. And that's why I will pause this video here and let it download and then I will continue. Okay, so once it is download fully, it will copy all the files and then it will ask you for next steps. Um, yes, it is still doing it, so we have to wait for some more time, I guess. So the setup is around 1.4 GB and that will take a lot of time. You can see this time in my recordings also when I started and when I stopped. Almost half an hour or 1 hour to download the entire setup. And then, yeah, now it is getting progress. So it's done. Now you can run the demonstration. So if you reach till this point, it's all we need before lab. So you can do this, and I will stop the recording. Let me check if this Proteus 8.10 is what I have installed. And next, everything is there. You can start a new project and so on. Yeah, it's completed. And I will explain the next things in the lab. Thank you for listening.